Baby removes wetness with its strong absorption layers.
همیشه با خودم میگفتم مگه میشه مردم کشورهای مختلفی غذاهایی رو بخورن که اصلا من به ذهنم هم نرسه واقعا همچین غذایی وجود داره، از پخته شدهش تا غیر پخته. واقعا پشمام ریخته، اصلا نمیدونم و واقعا پشمام ریخته از این دست مردم. سلام چطورین بچه؟ امیدوارم که حالتون خوب باشه. آقا ما رو وسط خواب بچه ها بلند کردن، مدیر برنامه‌مون زنگ زد گفتش که مای بیبی یه تبلیغ میخواد بذاره رو ویدیوتون. گفتم خب چند میده و چه جوری و چیکار میکنه و اینا. دیگه قرار شد که ما تبلیغ مای بیبی رو بزنیم روی ویدیومون. مرسی که از ویدیو حمایت میکنید. آقا موضوع ویدیو امروز اینه که یه سری کشور، یه سری آدم‌ها، یه سری چیزا یه غذای عجیب غریبی میخورن که پشمای همتون میریزه. ما رو وسط خواب بلند کردم. برید ببینید حاجی، لذتشو ببرید. لایک کامنت حسابم بکنید، یادتون نره. عشق من با هم بریم بخوابیم. خدا نگهدار. خدا.
Stuff like pork, they're eating bugs, sometimes they're eating pets. You've eaten dog meat before?
Yes, of course.
حاجی سوسک توشه احتمالاً. آب سوسک میخوام، آب گوشت سوسکه.
You eat monkeys too?
Yes, I do.
Oh, so there's really no limit. While we were in the song, we went to a man's house who raised silkworms. Eventually, it will become a silk moth, but in the interim, it becomes a pupa. So that worm makes a cocoon. What they do though is they take the cocoon, cut it open.
کونکون نمیدونم چیه، ولی فکر کنم پیله رو میگن اگه اشتباه نکنم، و خود کرمو میذارن تو این آبه و بویلش میدن و جوشش میارن و مثل همون حالت آبگوشت خودمون میخورنش.
Open and reveal what's inside the silkworm pupa. What I didn't know that fateful day in India is that this pupa is still squirming. I thought we were taking them.
پشمام. میدونی چی میگه وقتی که کرما هنوز تو حرکت هستن اونا رو میندازن و نوش جون میکنن. نگاه الان داره نشون میده.
Off oxygen when we pull them out of the cocoon, but clearly they can still live. It's shocking.
This is my first time seeing them this close.
Can you eat it like this?
Yeah.
حاجی کرم زنده میخورن. پشمام.
Really?
Can you eat it like this?
Yes, I can.
Oh my god, it's so juicy. Eventually, I put it in my mouth and the
خیلی
flavor
آبداره.
it's like swallowing a vitamin. That was really juicy, gushy, not gooey. It's almost watery inside.
Yeah.
I gotta say, on a hot day, that might be refreshing. It's like a grape.
حاجی فکر کن کرم رو میخوری، همون لحظه که پخش میشه تو دهنت کل مواد، فقط میبینی که جوسی. یه حالت داره که آبش پخش میشه تو دهنت.
But not sweet. I don't know, it was watery,
شیرین هم
it was
نیست.
earthy, it wasn't a great flavor. Later on, once it was cooked, it was pretty decent. It kind of tasted like eggs. But that was, for sure, one of the most alarming foods I've ever eaten and something that I hope I don't have to eat again anytime soon. Moving on to the 9th.
میگه هیچ وقت دیگه نمیخوام امتحانش کنم اصلا به هیچ وجه، چون جالبم نیست واقعا. فکر بکن یه کرم زنده رو بخوای بخوری. البته شاید چون ما نمیخوریم برامون یکم عجیب باشه، ولی خب اونایی که زیاد میخورن و عادت دارن اوکی براشون.
Most disgusting food on my list, eel jelly in the United Kingdom. This was
میگه غذای دومی که میخوایم امتحانش کنیم اسمش ایل جلی هستش که مال انگلیس هستش و حالا بریم ببینیم که چه جوریه.
a jello from hell. I certainly did like many of the British foods that I tried while I was in London. Shepherd's pie, wonderful. Fish and chips, amazing. But jellied eels. Imagine jello, but the jello is not strawberry flavored or cherry flavored, it's ocean water flavored.
چیز ژلاتینیه.
You can scoop it in and pick around like an olive stone in your mouth, or you can pick around on the plate. Entirely up to
Do
you.
you use your fingies or not?
Depends on whether you want to smell like eel for the rest of the day.
Cold.
Fish cold.
There's some fatty sections, or probably that's the skin of it, gelatinous. Then the jello, it's briny. It tastes like someone took ocean water, boiled it, mixed it with gelatin powder.
It's just fishy. And what's crazy is we love that in like a tonkotsu broth from pork bones. Or...
یه چیز ژلاتین طوریه که حالا مزه جالبی هم میده براشون. مثل تو مایه چی بگم باشه؟ نمیدونم غذای خودمون چیزی داریم؟ نه ژلاتینی چیزی نداریم.
Or like chicken broth out of eel. We struggle with it a bit more, but look around. It's a classic. People love it.
This is something very traditional. I respect it. I love the idea of people. I love that. What do I love? Moving on to number 8. Eating raw cow stomach with
raw cow stomach. چی؟ شکم گاو.
the Mercy tribe of Ethiopia.
درنده فکر کنم.
On that day, we sacrificed a cow. Inside that cow, a
وای
stomach.
حاجی فکر کنم جیگر
They took
گاوه.
that large stomach from the cow. They started to cut it open. They took the remnants, everything that was inside the stomach, they tossed it out. Then they started to cut the
که تو
raw
ایران
stomach.
آقا یه کله پاچه و چیزا برای ما یه چیز عادیه، ولی خب برای اونا خیلی عجیبه. احتمالاً جیگر گاو باشه. یه چیزی مال شکم، اگه اشتباه نکنم همون جیگر گاو. ولی بریم
And eat it. That's the stomach, but it's still full of.
Yes, but for them it's okay. They just want to eat the raw one like this.
Let's do it. This is one of the wildest food experiences I'd ever had in my life. This day, at this time, I had no idea this was coming.
He
just goes for it, huh? You can see the grass and the stomach acid, the bile, the future shit.
You can try like them.
You try too?
Yeah.
If I'm going down, someone's going down with me. They like stomach acid. Do not smell before eating. Cheers.
Cheers. Have you seen? It's very soft.
Yeah. Somehow it's not that bad. Actually, I enjoy the texture. It's kind of crunchy.
Ah,
It tastes like how
cheese
a barn
effect کنم.
smells. So when people are like,
سیرابی.
oh, it tastes like shit,
سیرابی
how do you taste
آفرین ما
like? You taste
میخوریمش.
it right now.
الان فهمیدم چی آجی، اینا سیرابی رو میخوام. اون معده گاو سیرابی بهش میگن. ما الان یه اینا سیرابی رو میخورن ولی خب سیرابی رو اینا نپخته میخورن، ما میپزیم میخوریم و نمیدونم چجوری خوردهش. ببینیم بالا بریم تجربهش از این که این سیرابی رو خورد چیه.
Now? Yes. I was looking at the food in dismay and wondering, do I really have to do this? Maybe we just don't film this, and then nobody would ever have to know that this happens, and they would never know that I pushed out. Moving on to...
میگه که اگه من هیچ وقت قرار نبود که این ویدیو رو بگیرم، هیچ وقت نمیدونستم که همچین خوراکی و همچین نوع غذایی وجود داره و میشه امتحانش کرد و هیچ وقت نمیدونستم. ولی خب تجربه جالبی بود براش.
Number 7 on my list of the most disgusting foods from around the world, silkworm pupa from South Korea. It turns out I'm not
دوباره یه
that big of...
مال کره جنوبیه که دوباره یه نوع کرم دیگر رو میخوان امتحان کنن و ببینیم که اون کرم دیگه چجوریه و امیدوارم که جالب در بیاد.
a fan of silkworm pupa, but especially the way that the Korean folks prepare it. The smell is musty, sour. It's like an old mattress in an attic that's been hanging out for 50.
미국 사람은 안 먹어 번데기를?
شیت کرم خوری داریم. وای حاجی کرم رو باید بکنم با تنگاجو بزنه بره بالا.
Grilled sardines, but full of nasty.
کرم ابریشم میخورن. شیت حاجی اون کرمه رو که خورد خیلی طعمش رو فکر کنم دوست نداشت، ولی حالا ببینیم اون کرمه رو که میخوره طعمش چجوریه براش، دوست داره یا نه.
flavor is not something that I'm looking forward to eating anytime soon in the future.
شیت فهمیدی چیکار میکنه؟ چی کرمایی که توی چیش میگم اسمش الان نمیاد تو ذهنم. تو عکس دارید تو فیلم دارید میبینید اینا رو دور میدارن و اینا رو میخورن. یا خدا حالا
But if I do again, I will try to find something redeeming about it, but at least in
حالا
the past,
سرخشون میکنن.
not for me. Moving on to the 6th most disgusting food I've ever tried around the world, and that would be bile dip in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Here is a place where they really appreciate bitter flavors, and when it comes to bitterness, you don't get something much more bitter than bile. On that day, we saw a buffalo get dispatched. They cut the bile sac and they drain the liquid yellowy fluid from that sac. That became the most important component to the dip that we'd be eating that day. What we ate with the bile dip is also pretty extreme. Raw buffalo meat. Do you need this? Just 1 second ago, she said she couldn't drink because she's at work. She drank the whole thing. Why are you clapping? Is it someone's birthday?
I can't swallow it. It's better than I thought it's gonna be.
میان چیکار میکنن؟ میان با ساز روغن و ادویه‌جات اینا تیکه از گوشت حالا گاو رو به شکل نپخته با این سس قاطی میکنن و میندازن بالا. حالا ببینیم که این مرد دختری رو من خیلی نمیتونم طعمشو بفهمم. ولی این مرد چی میگه طعمشو؟
Really?
Yeah, it's not that bitter.
Not that bitter.
It's like a jelly.
Like a jelly.
میگه یکم ژلی طوره.
Yeah. More surface area means I can soak up even more bile.
Right?
This was one of the most deeply bitter to the bone flavors I've ever experienced in my life. I don't hate it. I see with what you've done here.
میگه قشنگ مزهش به عمق استخونم نفوذ کرد، همچین چیزی که واقعا حالا امتحانش نکرده بودم.
The seasoning is brilliant because the fish sauce makes it super savory, very spicy. It's like a nuclear bomb. Somehow the folks of Chiang Mai
مثل یه بمب اتم میموند این حالا خوراکیه و خیلی هم تند بود، یعنی میترکوندت اینجوری گفتم.
they love it, they appreciate it. For me, I could say not my thing. And the point of this list is not to disparage or mock any people or culture. This is just my own personal point of view. Moving on to number 5 on our list.
میگه تمام این چیزایی رو که من دارم از دیدگاه خودم میگم فقط اینا نظر شخصی خودمه و هیچ نظر چجوری بگم، میگه فقط دیدگاه خودمه ولی دیدگاه بقیه مردم جهان این شکلی نیست، فقط از نظر خودم.
Raw alpaca kidney in Peru. This video was shot in the mountains of Peru, a place where they raise alpacas and llamas, known in Spanish as llamas.
نگو که لاما میخورن. نگو.
Using their traditional recipes. Recipes that me and my good friend Oro
شما
were very
اینا
excited
لاما
to try
میخورن.
until we tried one that didn't involve cooking, and that was the raw kidney of an alpaca. Oh yes. So we're not just gonna eat it plain. We're gonna eat it with a little bit of salt.
Oh, that helps a lot. That's all we need.
حاجی گوشت لاما رو آبپز میکنن و بعد برمیدن با نمک میخورنش. یه حاجی خیلی بد باشه.
This has got to be, I think, the most difficult, challenging thing we'll eat this whole
تازه
trip.
نیم پز.
Like that?
Like that.
Dude, after your face, I don't think I can put it all in. Okay, let me start like. Oh,
خوشش اومد.
not that bad. I'm lying to myself. I think you're suffering more than me. This is so fun. It tastes like a medium rare filet mignon.
بعدی مال کشور ویتنام هستش و ببینیم که ویتنامیا چی می‌کنن.
With Calvin in Vietnam. It almost looks like a foie gras. It's big, it's flat. It has some seafood essence to it for sure.
اینم بخارپز میشه باز.
That is potent. Get in there with your spoon. Is that cooked all the way through? Do you want to lose weight? Somehow Calvin, who's a psycho, enjoyed it. That is delicious. I love these flavors. This is like waking up in the morning and just finding a stingray, cutting out the liver and biting into it. Why aren't you sharing my enthusiasm? Listen, I respect this chef. I respect this animal. Sure. That is one of the most disgusting things I've ever been on in my life. It was a...
خب بذارتون میگم. اون رفیقش که غذا رو خورد گفت خیلی خوشم اومد و خیلی خفم بود و فلان اینا، ولی خود این مرد وقتی غذا رو خورد میگه یکی از با احترام به تمام آشپزایی که مثلا غذا رو پختن و فلان و اینا، ولی مزخرف ترین غذایی بود که به حال زنترین غذایی بود که تا حالا امتحانش کردم و واقعا حالش بد شد و واقعا خیلی ظاهر بدی داشت. منم بودم حالم بد میشه. حالا این نامه رو میشه خورد ولی اینو واقعا اصلا.
Fill the other with bile, or basically the contents of the bull's intestines. Oh God, why am I doing this? What did they do? They took big raw pieces of liver, they dunked it in both, and they threw it.
میگه یه تیکه از کبد رو ور میدارن و میزنن توی تیکه از همون خون و میخورن.
Back. And listen, they absolutely loved it.
و میگه اونا عاشق این غذا هستن.
This wasn't survival food. This was these ladies having the time of their life. It was a celebration, something they could maybe only do once a year. Anya? Oh, I'm so full.
میگه اونا این غذا رو بیشتر برای جشناشون استفاده میکنن و میخورن و خیلی هم عاشقش هستن و دوستش دارن.
Well, I just had lunch. Yeah. And then they looked at me, my face turning white. I mean, even more white. It was my duty that day to step in the line of fire and take a bullet for all of you guys. So,
میگه قرار بریم امتحانش ماجی بریم طعمش چیه.
give it a little bit of Oh, so. Yeah, I'd force it down somehow. Oh, where's my Jack Daniels? Sure, you've never had anything like it. You can feel your teeth tearing the tissue apart slowly as...
میدونی چی میگه که یه تکسچر، یه حالت مزه خیلی عجیب و جدیدی رو برام داشت، این که با دندونت بگیری اون تیکه از گوشت رو بکنی و دیگه حالا بخوریش. خیلی مزه و حالت عجیب و جدیدی داشت براش.
You run your mouth through it. It is a creepy, interesting, unique texture I've not discovered anywhere else. Finish it up.
یک حال به همزن جدید با یه حالت مزه‌ای جدید و یه حالت میکس خوب و بد با هم بوده انگار. مرسی که ویدیو رو تا اینجا با من دیدید. منم خودم خیلی خوشم اومد، ویدیوش خیلی جالب بود و باحال بود. عشق منید. امیدوارم که ویدیو رو دوست داشته باشید و ساب و کامنت و لایک یادتون نره و تا ویدیوی بعدی گودبای.